Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is Centers of Pressure, Round 2. Let's get straight into it. Okay, first thing we need to understand is that this one, the trapezoidal weir, is 4 meters high, 8 meters wide at the top, and 6 meters wide at the bottom. The top of the weir is just below the water surface. Calculate the depth of the center of pressure on the weir. Well, from that we can deduce, now, that is our x-y axis, y-x-axis. Right. So 4 meters down, we got 4 meters down, and then 6 meters wide at the bottom. So that's 3 and 3. Let's try and make this as even as possible. Right. Because it's 8 at the top. Okay, let's make it 8 at the top. So this will be, that's minus 4, because it's right at the bottom, it's right at the water surface. So it's not 1 meter below or 1 meter above, it's actually on the water surface. So we need to keep that in mind. So this will be, your x coordinate will be minus 4 and 0. And that'll be 4 and 0. This here, the x coordinate will be 3 and minus 4. Okay, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, the reason I'm not writing in these coordinates don't matter. You can put them in if you want, but really these coordinates do not matter, because we're trying to have as many positive integers as possible. So always on the right hand side is always where you'll find your positive integers more than you'll find negative integers. So now what we need to do is get our formula for this line from here to here. What we need to do is get the formula for this line. And with this formula, we'll be able to calculate our center of pressure. Okay, so what we're going to do is say y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Okay, so what we need to do is take y1, which is 0, y minus 0 equals, now y2 is minus 4 minus y1, which is 0, all over x2, which is 3, minus 4. And then x minus x1 is 4. Alright. So what we have here is y is equal to minus 4 over minus 1. X minus 4. because 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 4 minus 0 is still minus 4. So it's minus 4 over 1. So what we have here is 4 times x minus 4 is equal to y. Y is equal to 4x minus 16. And that is our formula for a straight line, because y is equal to mx plus or minus c. And that is our formula. So all we had to do was work out the formula of that straight line. But this is a different method than what we were taught previously, because this method actually allows you to work out c at the same exact time you're working out your m. You're working out m and c at the same exact time. So now we have to get this to its y coordinates. So it needs to be x is equal to. So what we do is say y, so it's y minus 16. Y minus 16 equals 4x. Divide by 4 and divide by 4. And that gives us our plain old x. And that gives us x. Right, so x is equal to y over 4 minus 4. Sorry, it's plus 4. It's plus. Because it was minus, when you jump over the fence, it becomes a plus. So always remember your signs. I never looked at the signs, I made a mistake. Always look at your signs. So, now what we need to consider is our formula is this. Our formula that we're going to follow now, our formula that we're going to follow is the integral BA y multiplied by 2x dy. That is the formula we're going to follow. So our formula is going to be y, so the integral of 0 and minus 4. Yes. That is simply it. Now, what we need to do is multiply by 2 times y over 4 plus 4. Okay, so 2 multiplied by a quarter is a half. So it is the integral of 0 and minus 4 y times. It's a half y plus 8. Now we multiply y squared and y. So we are left with okay, so let's integrate. We're going to integrate. So a half plus 8y squared over 2. What we have now, 0 and minus 4. We only need to plug in minus 4 because the 0 will automatically make everything else 0. So, and now a third times a half is 1/6. So, 1/6 times minus 4 cubed plus 4 times negative 4 squared. And that equals minus 53, 333. Minus equals minus 53, 333. This is AMOX. Because we only need AMOX. We don't need AMOY. And that's 53 minus 53, 333. And it's a recurring number. Okay. So the next one. Now a number to the power of 4. So that will be, our formula will be the integral dA y squared x. Y squared 2x, sorry. Y squared 2x dy. Alright, so our next part, y over 4 times 2 is y over 2. So y squared times 1/2 y plus 2 times 4 is 8. And we're left with this. And this is 0 and minus 4. And that's dy. Okay. So what we need to do now is say, now that's cube, a half integral 0 minus 4, a half y cubed plus 8 y squared. Okay, so now what we're going to do, dy. So let's integrate half times 1/4 y to the 4th plus 8 over 3 y to the 3. 0 and minus 4. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8, so it's an 8th. 1 over 8, y to the 4, plus 8 over 3, y to the 3. Okay, now we just plug in minus 4. As we plug in 0 here, we will get 0. So 0 and minus 4. So plug in minus 4 where you see y. So let's plug in minus 4 where we see y. And we get the lovely answer. So 1/8 times minus 4 to the power 4 plus 8 over 3 times minus 4 to the 3. And our answer is 138,667. 138,667. Units, it is units to the power 4. Alright, now next step. Next step is we're looking for Z-bar. We're looking for Z-bar. Very simple. Z-bar is very simple. It is 138,667 Z-bar over minus 53,333. And this answer is minus 2,6 meters. Now, the reason, now as we know, this is Z-bar, so on here, now that's minus 4, so minus 2 is nearly halfway. So your point of pressure will be just below halfway. That'll be your point of pressure. It'll be your maximum point of pressure in this system here. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.